Good evening, everyone. This is Twikirize Rossette, reg number 23, BSU BBA 0400. I'm going to present for you this question using QuickBooks. It is using QuickBooks accounting software, create a company in the names of Mark Traders Company Limited, whose reporting currency is UGX. I got QuickBooks. I create a company. I go to detailed start. I put my company name, which is Mark Traders Company Limited. Then legal name is same as legal name. We go to address, street address. It is PO Box. It is PO Box 234. I go to city. It is Mbara. County. So county. We go to other. I go to email address. It is Mark at Africa online.co.ug. Then I click on next. Then I click on automotive sales. Next, I go to sole proprietorship. I click next. I click next. I put my on file name. I put my name, Twikirize Rossette. Then I click on save. While waiting for it, it is saying please wait. So I click next. I click on both services and products. I click next. These ones which are recommended, we click next. Then here I say yes. I click next. Then here have employees. We have this one. We click here. I click next. Then the beginning of this fiscal year, I click next. Then go to setup. I click here. Then our question is reporting currency in UGX. So I go here. I go to my QuickBooks here. I close. Then I maximize. I cancel these unnecessary things. I go to edit. I go to preferences. I go to multiple currencies. Then I click on company preferences. I say yes, I use more than one currency. I click yes. Then I go here. I click on more currencies. I make this Uganda shillings. Then I make it active. I click yes. I click OK. I go to edit. I go to preferences. I go to accounting. I click on company preferences. I remove these warnings. Yeah, because they would disturb me. I click OK. Then, as you're seeing our question, then part B, it is saying the company operates a bank account number 950011 in Centenary Bank and also operates a petty cash book. The financial year runs from 1st January 2023. Then I click here. I go to charts of accounts. Charts of accounts. I maximize it. Then I go to account. I go to new. I click on bank. Then I say continue. Now account name Centenary Bank. Centenary Bank. Then descript account bank account number. It is 9. Bank account number. It is 950011. Then enter opening balance. It's opening statement ending balance no. Then statement ending date. Here it is 12th stroke 31st 2022. I say OK. I click here on save and new. Then petty cash. Opening balance. Statement ending date. It is 12th 31st 2022. I click OK. I save and close since you have finished. So the question part C, the company's customers and their balances as at 1st January 2023 were as follows. Customer name, we have Come Traders. We got QuickBooks. Customer traders, we got customers. Customer center, new customer and job new customer. Then we enter our customer name, who is Come Traders. Come Traders. Opening balance is 3 million. 3 million. As of date 1st January 2023. I click OK. Next customer, we go to new customer. We have Opita Dan. Opening balance Opita Dan doesn't have the opening balance. Here our date is 1st January 2023. I click OK. Our next customer is Munene Auto Dealers. Auto Dealers. Then opening balance is 1 million as of 1st January 2023. I click OK. My next customer is Kalas Motor Spares. Opening balance is 800 as of 1st January 2023. I click OK. So here part B, it was part D, the company's suppliers and their balances as at 1st January 2023 were as follows. So I click here, I go to vendor center. I click here, new vendor. So my new vendor is Kabale Sisters. Opening balance 1.7. Yes, as of that as of 1st January 2023. I click here OK. My next vendor is Masaka Traders. Opening balance 1.5 as of 1st January 2003. Okay. Another vendor is Madra Importers. Opening balance, this one has no opening balance, so we go to date, then I click OK. But next part, it is the inventory items were as follows as at 1st January 2023. Here I go to home, I go to inventory activities, I go to inventory center, I go to new inventory item. I go to inventory part, item name, then item name is motorcycle, motorcycles. Units of measure, I click on single, I click next, I go to I click here, I click on next, I click on other, then next, finish. Yeah, I put unit, then abbreviation, it is UN. I finish. Description, it is IV 001. Then cost, it is 4 million. Sales price, it is 4.8. 4.8, yes. So income account sales, then on hand it is 8. It is 8. Then as of dates, first January 2023. Then I click OK. I go to inventory, new inventory item, new item, inventory part, item name, generators, then we put unit here. Description is IV 002. Then cost, it is 2.7. Sales price, it is 3.5. 3.5. Then income account, we click on sales. I say I go on hand, which is 6. Our date is 1st January 2023. Then I click OK. New inventory item, I go to inventory, new inventory, then I click on inventory part, my next item, which is oil. It is measured. I add new here. I go to volume, I click on next, I go to liter, then I say finish. Description, it is IV 003. Cost, it is 10,000. Sales price, it is 30. It is 60. It is 16,000. It is 16,000. So I go to income account, sales. I go on hand, which is 10. Dates, which is 1st January 2023. Then I click OK. I go to inventory item, new inventory item. I go to servicing. I click here. I click on service. Then I put servicing. Then it is measured by description. Its description is IV004. Rate, it is 30. Account, here I add service. Then I save and close because it is 1. Then I say OK. Now additional information. The following transactions took place in the month of January 2023. 2nd January, deposited UGX 40 million into the bank account. So here I'll go to home. I go to chart of accounts. I right click. I make general journal. Here I click OK. The date is 2nd 2023. So we are going to debit our Centenary Bank with amount 40 million. Then we are going to add our account, which is equity. Then I click continue. Then I write capital. I say here I say save and close. I credit it with 40 million. Then I say save and new. Another transaction is 3rd January, withdraw a UGX 10 million from the bank for business use. Here I will debit petty cash. Petty cash with amount 10 million. Then I credit it with Centenary Bank with 10 million. I click save and new. Then another transaction, it is 3rd January, obtained a 5-year bank loan worth UGX 100 million at 14% per annum. So here I will change the date to 3rd 2023. then I debit Centenary Bank with amount 100 million. Then I credit, I add new with loan, so I click here continue, which is loan account. We open loan account. So here I say save and close. I credit it with amount 100 million. I say save and new. Next transaction, it is 4th January, sold 5 motorcycles and 3 generators, and the cash was banked immediately. That is our next transaction. So here I will go to home. I will go to create sales receipts. Date it is 4th 2023. Then here I go to cash. I go to item, I click here, then our motorcycles is here, then with 5 liters. Then our next is generators with 3. So here I say save and close. I record deposits. Here I go, I click on date, then I click OK. I say save and close. My next transaction is 6th January, bought 100 liters of engine oil. So I go to purchases. Here on vendor, Madrid importers. I change my dates, which is 6. Here under the item, it is oil with 100. Here I click save and close. I go to receive inventory. I click on receive inventory with the bills. On vendor, I click on Madra importers. Then here I say yes. I tick on dates, then I say OK. Here I save and close. My another transaction is 7th January, bought 8 motorcycles by check from Cabaret Sisters Limited and made half payment. That is our next transaction. So I got purchase order. I go here on vendor. I put Cabaret Sisters. I change my date, which is 7th. Here under item, I put motorcycles with 8. Then I click save and close. I go to receive inventory. I receive inventory with bills. I go here on vendor. I put cover resistors. I click yes. Then I tick my dates. I say okay. Then I save and close. My next transaction, there is a continuous that made half payment. So I come here, I click on pay bills. Pay bills. I click this one. Then I put 16 million. 16 million. Then I pay selected bills. I say done. Next transaction is 10th January, sold 10 liters of engine oil and serviced 5 generators. I click here. I create sales receipts. I say cash. Then date. It is 10th. Then here under item, it is oil, which has 10. Next, servicing with 5. So I say save and close. I record deposits. I tick my date, then I say okay. Here I say add new. Account name is cash. Then I say save and close. I say okay. Then I save and close. Then another transaction, 11th January, sold 6 of the motorcycles and 2 generators for cash to Muna auto dealers at 2% discount. I click here. Then I create invoices. Then I come to customer, I add new. I put Muna auto dealers. Muna auto dealers. I click OK. I change my date, which is 11th. Then under quantity, it is 6. Then item code, it is motorcycles. Then here on item code, it is generators. Then I say save and close. I come here on receipt payments. I click here on received from Muna auto dealers. I click on cash. I tick my date. I click yes. Then at 2% discount. At 2% discount, we go to discounts and credits. I click on equal signs. I put 2. Then I put this amount, which is 35 800 800,000 800,000. Then I go to discount account. I add new. I put discount allowed. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. I say discount allowed. I go to income, then it is under expense, then I say save and close. I say done. I say save and close. Next, 12th January cleared Masaka Traders debt by cash. That is our next transaction. I go to pay bill. I click here, then I go to Centenary Bank. I click on cash. I say okay. Then I go to my debt, then I clear it with 12th. Then I pay selected bills. I click on done. Before I go to expenses, I have to first record the deposits for Mona. I go here, I click the date, then I say okay. I click on save and close. Then the next, cleared the following expenses by check. Fuel UGX 600,000. I go to chart of accounts. I right click. I go to general journal. I change my date to 12th. Then under account we add new. It is under expense, so I say continue. I put fuel. I write fuel. I say save and close. I debit with 600. 600. I say add new expense, then I say continue. Then it is rent. Account name rent. Rents, I say save and close. With 200,000. With 200,000. Then I say add new. Under expense, I click continue, which is office cleaning. Office cleaning. Save and close. Then which is 22,000. Then I add new expense. I say continue, which is electricity. I say save and close. With amount 48,000. It is 480,000. Then I create another one. Under expense, I say continue, which is advertising, which is advertising. I say save and close, with amount 200, with 200. And then add new. I click expense, I click continue with audit fees, audit fees. I say save and close, with amount 200,000. I say electricity, with amount 500,000. It is 500,000. 500,000. Then capital, it is centenary. Yeah, we put them in the centenary bank. Here I click on save and new. Next, it is 25th January salary worth UGX 300,000 and UGX 200,000 was paid by cash to Amanda and Katete respectively. So I click here. I change my date to 25th. Then here on account, I click here. I add new. I click on expense. I click on continue. Then I say salary. I say save and close. I debit it with 3 million. I debit it with 300,000. Yeah, which is okay. Then here on name, I will say add new. I will click on employee. I say okay. Here on first, I will put Amanda. Then I say okay. I leave as IAS. I click here. Then I click on salary with 200. I click here, and our next is paid by cash to Amanda. We click on cash. Then here I save and close. In the question there is another one. UGX 500,000 was withdrawn from the bank for private use. Here I come here, I go to banking, I transfer funds, I click on transfer funds, I click on Centenary Bank, I click here on transfer fund, I add new, I click on equity, then I click continue. I put drawings. I say save and close. UGX 500,000. I say save and close. Next is bought a computer for office use at UGX 2 million. My next transaction, I got home, I go to purchase orders, I go to vendor, I click on add new, on vendor name I write J. Then I say okay. Then I come here on item, I click here, I add new. It is under fixed asset. Then on asset name, it is a computer. Computer. Then asset account, here I add new, account name computer. Then I click save and close. Here I click, I put office use. Here I put the date, which is 1st 25th stroke 2023. Cost it is 2 million. Then on vendor pay, 2 million, so I say okay. Then I click on save and close. So I come here and receive inventory with the bills. On vendor here, I say J, I say yes, I tick my date, so I say okay, I save and close. Finally, I'm going to extract profit and loss. Here I go to reports, I go to company and financial, I go to profit and loss standard. I click here, I click on all, I go to Excel, I create new worksheet, I export. I click here, I maximize. I click here, I rename it Twikirize. I rename it profit and loss. Profit and loss. I got 5. I click here on save as on desktop. On desktop I name it as Twikirize Rossette. I click save. I say yes. I come here. I go to reports. I go to company financial. I come here to balance sheet standards. I come here on Excel. I create a new worksheet. I click here in exit book workbook. I click here. I click on the desktop. I scroll here. I scroll here. I scroll here until I get the name I saved. So I say open. I export. I click OK. So I export. I click here on OK. I click here. I go to desktop. Here. It is here. So I click on open. I export. Now it is done exporting. So let me maximize my CP. This is an extract. So total assets is 219,494,000. Then total liability and equity is 2 million. It is 219,494,000. So our balance sheet has balanced. Thank you for watching.